Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make hummus at home. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need one 15-ounce can of chickpeas, about 1/4 cup of tahini, the juice of 1 large lemon, 1 small clove of garlic, and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. High-quality tahini and fresh lemon juice are key for the best flavor, so choose wisely for a truly delicious result. Next, let's prepare your chickpeas for blending. First, drain and rinse your 15-ounce can of chickpeas very well under cold water. For an incredibly smooth hummus, take a few extra minutes to gently rub and remove the thin skins from each chickpea. This step is optional but highly recommended for a restaurant-quality texture. Alternatively, boil the drained chickpeas for about 10 minutes with a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda to soften them further. Now, it's time to blend everything into that perfect creamy hummus. In your food processor, combine the 1/4 cup of tahini, the juice of 1 large lemon, and 1 small clove of garlic. Add 2 tablespoons of cold water and process for about 1 minute until light and fluffy. Then, add your prepared chickpeas and blend until very smooth, slowly drizzling in 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Continue blending until you reach your desired consistency. Finally, let's talk about serving and storing your delicious homemade hummus. Transfer your creamy creation to a serving bowl, drizzle generously with extra virgin olive oil, and sprinkle with a dash of paprika or sumac. Fresh parsley or toasted pine nuts also make wonderful garnishes. To keep your hummus fresh, store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Enjoy your fresh, flavorful, and homemade hummus.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.